Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to block someone on TikTok account. So for that it's a very simple step. So just logged into your account and open the app. I'm right now at the profile section for blocking anyone on TikTok. So just need to open the profile of the person you want to block. So just for that I'm just going for a sample profile. So I'm just clicking on the inbox button. I'm going to the cat meta 2. So here you can see the option of three dot. So just click on these three dot. If I want to block this cat mentor through, so you can just click here. So you can find that option, click block person. So here's a notification come, block the cat mentor too. So this is how you can block anyone on TikTok account. So if there is someone who is disturbing you all the time, so just block him. That's how you can block anyone on TikTok account. So just click block. So now you can see that cat mentor 2 is blocked here. If you want to check all the block accounts, so just click on the profile section again, click on the settings, and now click on the settings and privacy option and go to the privacy section and just scroll a bit, and now you can see option is blocked account. So when you click this option, so you can see multiple blocked accounts, so that you have blocked from previous times. So all the blocked accounts showed here. If you want to unblock someone, you can do here just clicking on unblock. So here the person is unblocked now. So this is very simple step to block someone and unblock someone. So if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.